Would you recommend poker to someone that's starting playing some micros, or it's just not worth it these days? Definitely, man. If you're committed enough, definitely, man. Like, as long as you're somewhat committed, not somewhat committed, as long as you're fully committed. Because with poker, you want to go balls deep. You can't half-ass it. You gotta just jump right in with no questions asked. And if you're just trying to do it on the side or something like that, then it's probably not going to work out for you. Oh yeah, like one of the main reasons I don't play spins as much is because I'm not very familiar with the pre-flop ranges, and I don't want to grind them. Like, I don't want to grind spins. I like heads of pipers, and even though they're slow, and at some point in the very near future, I'm probably going to have to play spins as the action dries up, or if like PokerStars ever decides to, God forbid, if they ever decide to, get rid of heads of pipers or whatever. But until then, I stay very heavily focused and studying heads up play. And I think that's the only way to get extremely good at something, is to stick with only one format. So if you're playing spins, only sticking with spins. If you're playing heads up, only sticking with heads up. And I truly believe that, and I think it's so important to actually do that. So for those of you who are wondering or whatever, that is the exact reason why I don't like playing spins. I've been this way my entire life. I try to heavily focus on one specific thing and be an absolute master at it. Duck Rat Me says, you're not a jack of all trades, but a master of one. That's exactly what I strive to be. I try to be a master of one and not a jack of all trades, because if you try to be a jack of all trades, you kind of just you're just all over the place, right? And if you just stick to one and really just study it and hone in on that, that's how you become the best at one specific thing. Anyway, so I want to shout out my YouTube channel just while everyone is here. I'm going to link you guys to it too, as a matter of fact. I'm going to link you guys to it, and so you guys can check it out. It's just a bunch of just things that I feel strongly about, anything that I want to talk about. There's some book reviews. So if you're into self-development, you're going to absolutely love this channel. If you're not into self-development, you're still going to fucking love this channel. There's so much value that I'm providing for everyone in this channel. We're just doing a bunch of, I just did my top 10 movie list. You guys can go see if you agree, disagree, dislike, like it. I don't care. Just watch it. If you're going to dislike it, then dislike it. But I'm going to link it here. I'll link it over here just so you guys can take a look. And if you're into Tony Robbins, self-development, anything like that, you guys want to improve your life in any way, give me a sub, and I will truly appreciate that. Just YouTube TGOL. Just those 4 letters. TGOL. And you're going to see, straight away see my YouTube channel. And that's it. Just give me some likes, some subscribes. Give me a dislike if you want to. If you hate me, go ahead and do that. As long as you give the content a chance. Thanks again, guys, and take care. I'll see most of you guys next Thursday. Hopefully all you guys next Thursday. Also, if you're not following me on Twitter, go follow me on Twitter at the JackStack99. So at THE JackStack99. And that's where I'll be posting when I'm going to start my stream. Let's say I'll be I'm starting the stream in 10 minutes, or I'm starting the stream in 15 minutes. I'm starting the stream in 20 minutes, right? So whatever that is, that's where I'm going to be posting about. So, because I don't start at a certain time every single day. It's different times. It's every Thursday is when I stream, but it's going to be starting at different times. So if you want to know exactly when it's starting, and if you want to jump in right from the get, go ahead and follow me there at the JackStack99. So at THE JackStack99. And I will see you guys next week. Usually